Alright guys, we're at Sebring with the E30.
What's up? Hey everybody, I'm back. Sorry it's been so long since I posted a video. Sorry I was MIA. So what's been going on? Where have I been for the last 2 years? Black flag. Where you been? Kind of a long story, so I'm gonna try to go through it quick.
Personal reason.
Oh, you probably want to know where have I been? What's been going on with the cars? Let me tell you about that. I put a wing on the M3, then I took the wing off the M3 because COVID happened. I wasn't racing anymore. In fact, I took all the race parts off the M3. And I took this little E30 out on the track at Sebring, and I loved it. In fact, I kind of had more fun driving this E30 than I did the M3. I don't know why. It's just an amazing car and it's set up right. I mean, I did everything. I did everything to that car. And I think that was part of the fun of it too, is I really built that E30 from the ground up and it was amazing. So since the E30 was fun, I kind of realized I didn't want to trash this M3. So I put the CSL bumper back on it. I replaced the A and C pillars. I replaced broken plastic. I put on a slick Connor Speed Shop shifter and shift boot. And I just cleaned it up in general. Oh, and I had the tint removed because it was bubbling and that sucked. So as much as I love this M3 and want to build a badass tracked out M3, I just couldn't bring myself to strip it down, to tear it apart, to start messing it up. I don't know. I still love it. I still really want I still want a badass M3, but I'm hesitant. So on the E30, I put race seats in it and stripped out the carpet, but I can't remove the sound deadening because I'm in an apartment and I'd probably get kicked out. And I don't even have a water hose to clean stuff up. So that brings us to today. And I know I could have done more, but I just couldn't keep up with YouTube. And I couldn't keep up with YouTube comments, especially the negative ones. Too much for me to handle and I had to step away. So I kind of shut down. I know I could have tried harder, but life took a lot out of me the last couple years. It's just that's how it is. That's how life was. So here I am. And I think I'm gonna sell the M3. Yeah. I think I'm selling the M3. Because I've got big plans for the E30. I can't keep up with two cars right now. Again, life has changed. So yeah, I think I'm selling the M3. Probably on Bring a Trailer. Is not for sale today. I will post a video when it is for sale. I'll post on Instagram. You will know when this car is for sale. If it is, unless I change my mind. So please keep watching. I will get better. I do have big plans. We will make things happen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we will see you soon.